Hey guys, so I'm outside. I'm gonna paint. Is the sky beautiful? I'm with my dog, of course, because I'm always with my dog. Oop, let me use the other hand. There she is. Say hi, Franny. And this is what I'm gonna paint. Let's see if you can see it. I want to paint this. I'm not pointing at it, but in the video I'm pointing at it. And with that bush right there on the fence. Oh, I'm not even talking into the microphone. Yeah, I want to paint that grate right there. The bush with the fence. So that's what I'm planning on painting. And I brought this little thing. Oh, my dog will. My doggy will go after people with dogs. So put it up a little bit tighter. Okay. So anyway, I bought this little box. I got a little board to paint on. I got watercolors, and I got some gouache. So that's what I'm heading on doing, or planning on doing. So, oh, I got my pencils. So first, I'm gonna try to put this so that you can see what I'm doing. Let's see. Oh, that's my nose. Oh, this is the water, not to drink. Cover. Oh my gosh, the microphone fell. I wasn't even listening. All right. Yeah, I got a loud enough voice, so. I wonder if I can try to set it up where you could see what I'm painting and the painting also. Ew. Okay. Sitting on a towel. Oops. Sorry about that. Let's see. Oh yeah. If I could put it right here. Let's see. All right. Oh man. Then my foot will be in the way. All right. Let's see if I can use this shoe. Oh. Hold on. I think I can get it. It's still my shoe though. On my foot. Let's see. All right. Hold on. I'm just gonna move. Let's see if I move. All right. That'll be fine. So what? My foot's in the way a little tiny bit. Move it over a little bit. Pretty scene though, ain't it? You'll be able to hear the birds. Are you eating grass, Fanny? It's like you're you're a friend sitting with me while I paint. All right. You know. Use that watercolor. Oh, let's see. Use the bush here. Oh, sit with me. I'll sit with me. Yeah, that's right. I'm just trying to set it up. I'm not trying to. Oh, there's my watercolor pencil that I should have used. I didn't. See. All right. I'm gonna eliminate stuff that's already way back there. All right. Let's do a little. Oh, Franny, what are you doing? What are you eating? All right. First, I'm gonna start out with these paints. This is the Viviva colors. I wanted to try these. They're very, very bright. Franny, what are you doing? Franny, get over here. Come sit with mommy. Come sit with mommy. Come sit with mommy. Come over here. Sit with mommy on the bench, on the towel. Come on. Sit with mommy. Come on. Here. Need some water? I'll spill the water. Here. That's it. Put some water in this thing here. My dog's so dumb. Okay. All right. Here we go. Let's see. That's a bit rusty. You know. Just doing a wash here. Do some rain. This is not a watercolor board. I gessoed it. The board I cut and then I gessoed it. Let's see what I do. Oh God, how am I gonna make? Wow, these are very beautiful colors. They don't have like a brown. So I'm gonna have to get some other colors out. Anyway, I'm just doing like a wash from it anyway. Trying to just get a base color on everything. It's really working out pretty nice though, actually. I'm gonna have to open up this one. Let's see what's in here. Every time I open this one, some of the things fly, so I gotta be careful. There we go. All right, cool. I'll show you the colors in a minute. All right, these are the colors that I got in this one, so that's a little better. I kind of need this one especially. Get off me, bug. No. Try not to use a lot of water for this, so don't drip. Don't drip away. Perfect. Oh, I use a little bit over here too. Great. This will get fixed. That'll get fixed. What other color do I have in here that I can use? I got some brown. Oh, shit. Alright. I got that cement of the gray, just regular cement color. And I can't seem to match that color. I've had trouble with that before. Maybe I can add, no, more yellow. No, it's too yellow. It's a little brown. Wait, let me try a little bit of this. Right, now it's brown. I cannot match that, but I'm gonna have to be close enough. Don't worry, it's just, again, it's just a base, you know? Alright. Now, let's get some blue sky in there. What color is that? That's pretty. I'm gonna use that color. Oh, that's a weird color. I don't even know what color that one is. What is that? That's weird. Alright, I better get back to the blue. The good blue, because it's such a pretty blue sky right now. You know what? Yep. Hold on. See if I can. Yep, I can wipe it off. Okay. Rinse it off. There we go. Look, that's the blue I'm going to use right there. There. That's the sky right now. Look at that. Barely any clouds. Well, there. Oh, that. What am I talking about? There's a billion clouds up there. So, okay. I'm going to leave. Definitely leave some. Ooh, my back is hurting. Holy cow, my back's hurting. Oh my god. Alright, now I think I'm getting a pretty good base to paint a picture. Send your pictures to dear old Captain Noah. Send today. Send right away. That was dirty. Get some more water. Ooh! Oh, I got water on the microphone. Did you guys hear that? Okay. Alright, let me see. I think. Oh man. Alright, let's see if I can do this. I don't think. Let me see. Oh, I do not have enough colors out here. Not even enough. Nope. But that's alright. At least I got a base if that anything. Let's just see what I can do. These three colors. Uh-oh. Maybe I need some water. Okay. Let's see. Oh no. Oh no. Let's see. This is me mixing gouache with watercolor. Alright, let's see what happens now. See if I can get a little bit. Let's see if I can do this. Oh, that looks good. Alright. Let's see. Trying to get my sock out of the way. I'm not really paying attention. And then I'm going to put butterflies in because there are so many butterflies right now. Can you see them? Can you see the butterflies? Let me see something. Yeah. Can you see them? Let's see. Can you see the butterflies? Up there is flew away. Let me move my sock over here. Either way. Let me just do that. There we go. Let's see. What if I add. Ooh, I never do this. I never do this, guys, but I'm adding a little bit of white to see what happens. See if I can get to like the dead. Let me get some brown in there. I want to get some of the dead ground over there. This part here, it's like dead. Oh, there we go. Put some green in that. Now I'm just mixing it up, see what happens right now, because I'm pretty much done with that right now, because I need to have that dry. Yeah, it's not getting just thought I'd add a little bit more different color of the dead nature that's everywhere around this grate. This might be good to do this. Oh, that's actually gonna work. Oh, it's smell poop. I smell dog poop right now. There we go. Oh, that looks real good. Oh, that looks real good. Okay. All right. Yeah, that was good enough. Okay. All right. We are done for now. Let's clean up. All right. All right. We'll put this one away. Oh, do you guys like the butterfly I put on there? And I put a resin on top of it so it wouldn't fall off. Oh, and I didn't even show you guys the thing I'm using now. I got these two. I cut these up. I made this, and then you can like look through it and go, "Oh, this looks good," and or like be like, "Oh, I just want to look like that. How's that look?" You know what I mean? Okay, hold on. All right, now let's empty this. Put that out. A little water in there. Clean it. Put that in there. All right. Now, okay. So now we're gonna put everything else away, nice and neat. Let's see if we can see what I'm doing. I'm hoping that you can see it. You can see it, yeah. I'm trying to put everything away, nice and neat. See, put this on my, yeah, it goes in here. Okay. Oh, let's put it here for a minute. On this side. Okay. All right, then I'm cleaning that. Yep, nice and clean. Put that in there. Put that there. Get some water and try to pour it on there so that it gets all clean. Mm-hmm. But you don't want to put this in here when it's dirty. Well, it might mess with the painting, you know. Now do this. And then get the other one. Because there's two. And then put this in there. Alright, now what else do I have to protect everything? I think that's it. Make sure everything's good. Alright. Oh, so I'm going to take this painting. I'm going to turn it. Well, look how it's not bad, right? So far. Right? Oh, there it is. Okay. I'm going to turn it around, backwards. Okay. Alright. Alright. Then, I'm going to shut. There. Alright. Now, fun part. Put this in here. Get some water to drink. Oops, the microphone. Alright, make sure that all paper towels and everything comes with us. Out there. Alright, now I'm going to try to stand up without my dog trying to get me. Oh, that's mine! Don't you take it! She's almost got the microphone because it's on her. Now, I gotta get my shoes on. Go get your giraffe. Go get your giraffe over there. Giraffe! Get it! Right? Now. Hold on, let me make sure this is nice and shook off. Then, hold on. Okay, now that I put my shoes on, and then my dog is trying to walk away. I hope that you heard everything I said, because sometimes the microphone was being smushed by something that I didn't notice. But thanks for watching, you guys. Okay, bye-bye.